Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the National Anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, I must say it's been another incredible week at school. It's been absolutely fantastic to see students return across the various year levels. Absolutely fantastic to hear not only the voices of children in their learning and outside in the grounds, but also to see our children around the school happily engaged in their learning. It's also been great to see those students who have popped into my office during the day just to let me know how their day's been going. So big thank you to our students. And I must say a really big thank you to our teachers and our support staff at school. You know, staff of all levels of the school have done an absolutely brilliant job supporting our students over the past couple of months. And well, I'm looking forward to seeing out the rest of the year where we can get back to normality and do all those fun things that we generally enjoy along the way. Want to say a big congratulations to students and staff. Absolutely fantastic to see everybody wearing their face masks during the day. As of next week, teachers, you won't have to wear your face masks outside, but we still ask everybody to support the plan, stick to the plan, and remember those face masks. Monday, fantastic. I'm using fantastic a lot today, but absolutely fantastic Monday. We get to welcome all students right across the school back at school. And I would like to see 1,167 students in attendance, because we'll be coming around to the learning spaces just to welcome you on the day. And remember Tuesday, Tuesday's a public holiday, so we don't come to school, but we certainly return to school the next day being the Wednesday. My next point is, well, today is World Teachers' Day. It's that one day, or one of the many days, that we recognise and congratulate our staff across the school for the wonderful, wonderful job that they do in providing learning for all our students and supporting our families. So everybody watching this assembly, what I'd like you to do is turn and face all the teachers and support staff who help you every day with your learning. Give them your biggest smile and give them a 2 thumbs up and a big cheer. All right, thank you everybody. Well, that's all from me today. I want everybody to have a wonderful weekend, stay safe, and we'll look forward to seeing everybody back at school on Monday. Take care everyone.
Hello and welcome to the 2021 Victorian Education Excellence Awards. These awards honour the incredible people who have taught and supported students through these very tough times. This year is the 20th anniversary of these awards, and once again we are celebrating online. Tonight we recognise the principals, teachers, business managers and support staff who have achieved excellence through another challenging year. You've worked so hard, you've been so creative, you've gone above and beyond to show your students how much you care for them and their futures. As the Minister for Education and as a parent, I thank you.
David, just 3 awards left in our program this evening as we move now to the Outstanding Primary Principal Award. This category recognises exceptional principals who have demonstrated leadership excellence. They've raised the quality of teaching and improved the overall performance of their school, and this category was a tight race, and we have 4 exceptional nominees in this award tonight. Well, difficult decision for the judges, David, with such impressive finalists for this award. There can only be one winner, of course, and I'm proud to announce the recipient of the 2021 Outstanding Primary Principal Award is Garry Rolfe from Cranbourne East Primary School. Garry, congratulations. Wow. Look at that deep breath, Garry. You've made it. You're almost at the end of the year. Now you've topped it up with this incredible award. Being a principal, Garry, I can only imagine, is so tough because you're juggling so many balls. You're having to be a leader yourself. Take us through the challenges of being a principal, particularly this year.
Thanks, Georgie. Well, I'd just first like to say it's just such an honour. I'm so grateful for the recognition I've received tonight. And I would like to acknowledge and congratulate Kim and Andrew and Hayley as fellow finalists, and know that you're equally deserving of this award. But as principal at Cranbourne East Primary School, every day is special for me, and I really mean that. I get to interact with a diverse community of happy and creative, enthusiastic and engaged children who are supported by such talented and passionate teams of teachers and support staff. At Cranbourne East Primary School, it's rewarding to see how we always come together as one entire school team to provide the best in contemporary learning, engagement and of course wellbeing for all of our students, and that it's linked to a great sense of fun in everything we do at school. But tonight, I thank every one of our 1,167 students, my leadership team who are here tonight with me, our teaching teams and support staff who show so much passion in their work they do every day, and for your commitment and contribution in ensuring our students not only thrive, but receive the best teaching and learning we can offer in our journey preparing our students to be future citizens. And ultimately, I'd just like to thank the school community for your support you've given to me as I perform my work. So thank you, everyone, and take care.
Garry, Garry, I don't know you. This is the first time I've seen you on a screen, but am I detecting a fair bit of emotion in that speech there?
Yeah.
It's been really tough, hasn't it, this year? And it's very easy for us to gloss over that. But when you had your tough days and you had your team members coming in or families coming in or teachers breaking down saying, I don't know if I can do this anymore, what did you say to them? What helped lift you and lift them?
Well, it wasn't just one thing, Geordie, but we really drew upon the support of the entire team, and just the little things that got us going was when I shared that feedback from our school community, the appreciation, the gratitude I received for the work the staff had done at all levels through the school. And it was everything from not only the teaching and learning, but it was also, the wellbeing, the welfare support, those support packs we delivered to homes, and, just reminding the staff of the outstanding job, they did in all respects was enough to, keep us going through it. We're not out of the woods yet, but I know we're doing an outstanding job together, and